Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I probably shouldn't start it with hey guys. Every other YouTube channel starts with hey guys. I'm sure there are girls who watch me too. Hey guys and girls. What's up? Welcome back. I'm gonna make another Java grind video. I just finished Unit 2 for my Java, so I finished the quiz, kind of failed on that, made a video about me failing on that. Now we're going to be starting Unit 3, Boolean expressions and if statements. So what I wanted to do today was I want to finish 3.1 and 3.2. I actually already finished 3.1, so all I have to do now is I have to do I also started 3.2, so I have to do some examples and some exercises for 3.2. And that's all I have to do. So yeah, I don't think this video will be too long, as long as I can finish this quickly. Let's get started, I guess. So we're taking a look at an example right now. I just went on a run today. It was a good feeling run. Alright, let's see what's happening here. So, I was introduced in the past lessons to these, in 3.1, we were introduced to relational operators, which were these operators that compared two values, like equals, equals, or not equals, or less than, greater than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, just like comparing two values. We noticed that usually you don't want to do this for objects. You don't want to compare two objects with these relational operators, but you can compare two primitive values like integers, or doubles, or characters, or what's the last one? Doubles, integers, characters, and booleans, right? You can compare booleans as well. So you can see what's happening here. In this lesson, we were introduced to the if. If is like, if this Boolean expression within the parentheses next to the word if is true, then you do whatever is inside here. So in this case, what's happening is, if I can group it a bit better to look like this and like that. This example is saying, hey, let's look at this. We have the scanner, so it's gonna ask us enter your age, run code. It's gonna set the age integer variable equal to my age, so let's just say my age is 18. It's gonna print you can vote because what's happening is actually it's saying that age is greater than or equal to 18. This is true, so whatever's inside this if statement can be executed. But since this is not true, it skips over this. Alternatively, I'm pretty sure you can just do wait, never mind. I was going to say something, but yeah, I don't think it would work here. Alright, that's easy. Let's continue. Negative numbers. Let's see. This program reads a number from the user and prints it if it's negative. So if it's negative, let's just say our number is this variable number, right? If the number is less than 0, then it's negative, right? So if this is negative, then this will be true. And if it's true, whatever happens inside here will be executed. So it will print out number is negative. So let's toss in 0. 0, it's not negative, so nothing's going to happen. Toss in negative 10. Right, so number is negative. Now, watch this. Even if I toss in like a double, oh, right, double won't work because it's an int. So yeah, even though that's negative, not gonna work. Next. So this is the same rectangle class as before, except it's got some even more stuff added to it. So we've got our old constructor with the width and height. We can return the area. And we actually have a boolean now. Public boolean is square, so let's see how this works. Note the following statement does not use curly brackets. When we have only one line of code for the conditional statement, you will sometimes see the code written without the block brackets. Alright, that's interesting. I'm gonna take down my notes. It's very interesting. So this is saying if the width is equal to, this double equals is just equals, but instead of like one equals where you're setting it equal to something else, what did I just do? Instead of setting it equal to something, you're comparing to see if they're equal. So that's comparing. So if the width is equal to the height, then you're going to return true for the is square boolean. And if not this, you can just say return false. Alternatively, you could, if you didn't want to use the if statement here, you could say return width equals height. That would work fine as well. Because if you notice, it's shorter and it's easier, I guess. It looks better. And that's is square, because if you have a rectangle of equal width and height, then you have equal side length, so you get a square. Sets width only if you, okay, let me just undo that. It's just showing that that was possible, but you don't have to do that. And the reason why this doesn't have an if around it here, because if this is true, then it's just going to skip over this because the return is already there. Once there's a return statement here, the rest of the execution, the code that wants to get executed, isn't going to run. Public boolean set with int new with. Okay. So set width is actually a boolean now, which is kind of weird. So you get true, or else you don't do anything. You don't set the new width and you get false. And so yeah, it explains it here. Set width only if new width is positive, returns true if width was updated. Okay. Same for the height here. And this is just our old toString method. So we're creating these rectangle objects. This one's going to be a square, that one's not. System print lunchbox, okay. Check if they're square. System print is square. Try to set width to negative number. That's not going to work. Set height, that is going to work. current final state. Okay. Successfully updated height. Notice there wasn't successfully updated width because we tried to set it to a negative number. And that's the statement again, but with the height changed over here. Alright, let's move on to our first of 4 exercises. 3.2.6 discounts. Write a program that computes how much the user owns for parking in a particular parking garage. The garage charges $3.50 per hour. However, the maximum monthly charge is $20. This means that if the total comes to something greater than $20, the user still only charges $20. Follow the comments in main to ask the user how many hours to park and compute their total. Do not worry about formatting the total. Okay. Here's some example output, example 1. Alright. So I guess we can just, there's no other class, so we can just follow what it tells us to do in the main. Create a scanner object. Scanner input equals new scanner system. Ask how many hours were you parked. System dot print line. We can just copy this. Compute cost. Okay, so we're gonna need hours variable, hours. Let's just 8 hours. 8 hours or double hours. I guess you can technically have parked for like, charges it per hour, so actually, yeah, 8 hours. 8 hours equals input next. Compute cost, double cost equals hours times 350. Okay, so if cost, so this is going to be our if statement right here. Cost greater than 20. We don't need the semicolon after the if statement actually. And I guess since it's only one line, we can just do this. Cost equals, we're setting the cost equals 20. I think that's all we need to do. Display the final cost. New system print line, I guess, doesn't really matter. New dollar plus cost. Done with that. There we go. And I forgot some semicolons. Where's the thing I got wrong? Oh my god, I got nothing wrong? No way. That's crazy. That's the first time I checked and I had nothing wrong. What a revolutionary moment. Sweet or unsweet? What they want to drink? I actually want to drink some yogurt right now. Or maybe like a milkshake. I want some frappuccino. Print out the order again to confirm it. You should print out the drink name. Okay, blah 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 blah. I'll just follow the example and the hints. You'll find it helpful to list the steps you need to take. Will I? print out the order again to confirm it. If they wanted more than 0 teaspoons of sugar, we can print with sugar. Okay. So our first step is going to be to print this line to the system. Print line would be drink. And then we'll have the input, so let's just see string equals input.next line. We're going to do it again. But with the other statement. We can add the other thing. Int sugar equals next. I'm not sure if sugar is the best name for that, but whatever. So we're just going to print this line now. After we print system print line empty for the separation. Print system print line val. When technically that space isn't necessary. I'll just get rid of that. Look what I forgot. Poppers, semicolons. Now we need the if statement. So if sugar greater than 0. But let's just say if sugar not greater than 0 first. And let's just hope they don't put a negative number there. That would be funny. Don't capitalize the if. Don't add a semicolon. Oh wait, since it's online, we don't have to add the brackets. I keep on forgetting. Print. Actually, I'll just copy this. Too lazy to do it. System that print line. Then we add. Drink plus space plus no sugar. Just drink. Alright. Because this is if no sugar. If sugar greater than 0. Copy this. And then you say plus with sugar. Let's see if I messed up. Oh my god, I didn't mess up again. I think I'm getting better at coding. Don't you guys think I'm getting better at coding? Alright, second to last exercise, cooking. I don't know how to cook. You should ask Kiska Jang Aika to teach you how to cook. Write a program that helps a novice microwave chef. What is this? I can't read. Let's just read that later. Use the math class to generate a random number. Okay. So to do that, you would just say int seconds equals int. That's just the truncation part. And this is the part that you need left random times 60. Because we want less than 61, so we add the 1 to the 60. And don't forget the semicolon. Print the number of seconds. If the number is less than or equal to 20, print perfect cooking time. Your roll will catch fire. That is not good. So we're gonna system print line microwave for plus seconds plus seconds. That looks weird, but whatever. These two if statements to print whether the roll. So we're going to say first if seconds is less than or equal to. And how you write that is you write that 20. Oops. Something's weird. Why is it built like that? Okay, whatever. We print perfect cooking time. Even if I cook it for 0 seconds. So that's oops. How did that end up there? It's supposed to be there? I don't get this. I think something messed up here, maybe? Or here, probably. Looks really bad to me. I mean, like, it should still work, but... Come on, let's go 3 in a row. No errors. Let's go. Wow, so good. Alright, last exercise for today. The Rater class rating system for a company. By the way, if I had this, I would give Comcast a rate 1 out of 5. Comcast is my least favorite company, I swear to God. If its rating is less than 2. Okay. So yeah, the best way to do this would be in another method inside another class. Because you can use the return function. Is that even a function? rating. Initial rating is 1 to 5. Name of company. As long as it's less than or equal to 5. Set. Since this is a void, we actually don't want to return anything. Oops, not set. My bad. All you have to do is say rating equals new rating. I don't get what we're supposed to do. Oh, we're supposed to change this. Okay, so we already have the current rating line, so we just need to print the next line, which is this thing, I believe. So, oops. Once the program leaves the method, nothing's executed after the return statement is executed. Yes, I do remember. Okay, so we're gonna say the instance variable is called rating, so you can just say if rating is less than 2. Since it's not void, we have to do the return. So we're gonna return I don't think we want Tina's tires, so we would actually want this Junior Cookery. Like that, I think. Not recommended. Company Junior Cookery. Yep. Now the next thing we want to consider if it's over 3.5. Return nope. Gold Star Company. Last part is, since we already have these, if it's neither of these, then it has to be otherwise. So we don't have to type else or anything, we can just say return well-rated company. Because this is what happens if none of the other things happen. If any of the other things happen, it would just return and the method would stop executing. I'm assuming all of this works, so let's see if we get any errors. Uh-oh. illegal character? Wait, what? Is it because I copy pasted something? Oh, it is. My bad. It's like, you don't copy paste, plus Java's gonna break and die. Yeah. Company or it's out of scope. Why is company out of scope? String company. Oh, it's name. My bad. Yay, everything's perfect. Alright, we're done. Let's check if I need to do anything else. Dashboard. This, that. Nope, nothing else is due. So that's it. I've done all my Java. I'm pretty sure next time, let's see. We are gonna be doing if else, else if. Compound Boolean equivalent. This looks fun. Doesn't look too long though, which is good. The next unit also looks fun. Iteration. After we have these, and we learn about arrays, which I'm guessing are like lists, then we can finally have some fun making lots of cool stuff in Java. Buggers. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.